Hi, it's Fias Tarot. So, Cancerian placements. This is your general and situations in love and the person on your mind. Okay, reading. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading sa ating mga items, okay, so nandyan sila lahat. So, protection from evil eye. We have ring, bracelets, and necklace. Okay, so ito yung necklace natin. This is unisex, by the way. So, ganyan siya, yung pendant niya. Okay, meron siyang blue stone sa center. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Yung ating dalawang bracelet is unisex rin. Itong adjustable, ito to, ay available in red string. Okay, ito yung garterized. So, yeah, yung ating love bracelet. So, kung ano man ang connection na meron kayo in love, so, yeah, pwede yan sa'yo. And yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter is unisex and made to order siya. Okay, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long yung chain. Pero pwede naman gumamit ng ibang chain if you want to. And yung ating cord cutting. So, si cord cutting is pagkakat ng mga hindi na natin gustong energy na naka-connect pa sa atin. Okay? So, let's start the reading, Cancer. So, kung may tanong pa po, message na lang sa atin pong FB page. And yeah, don't forget to follow and subscribe yung atin dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Okay, so Cancer, what's for you in general? Okay, bago mag-end ang April, what's for you in general? Cancerian. Ang sabi, kumuha daw agad ako ng 6. Okay, so okay. So, atin ang buklatin lahat. Okay. So, we have here 2 of Cups in reverse, 3 of Wands, 10 of Cups in, 10 of Cups, 2 of Wands in reverse, 6 of Cups in reverse, and the 8 of Cups. I'm seeing here may mga pupuntahan. Oo. Okay, iba sa inyo, matik. May mga pupuntahan together with your friends, colleagues, partners, families. Okay. Being open pagdating sa new connection if ever. Some of you, I'm seeing here online connection. Okay. Somebody is thinking of you. Okay. Meron din ditong energy na pwedeng may mag-reach out. Waiting for you to reach out, maybe. Yeah. 7 of Swords in reversed. 10 of Pentacles. I'm seeing here completion. Happiness. Parang meron din ditong this is like a vacation. Merong may iwan or magpapaiwan, and nandun yung inggit. I don't know, parang meron ditong energy na parang may naiinggit kasi parang feeling niya napapag-iwanan siya. Okay, I don't know who's who. Yeah, being open pagdating sa new connections. Some of you pwedeng may ipapakilala sa'yo, friend or family, like kakilala ng family mo, papakilala sa'yo. I don't know if you're open, pero yeah, let's see. Some of you, ayaw mo pa ng connection or romantic connection maybe. Yeah, death is here in reverse. Some of you are still, sabihin natin, hindi pa nakaka-move on sa isang past na connection. Okay? Iba sa inyo may rereto sa inyo. Oo. That's so specific. May ipapakilala. May mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So there. Yun lang. Wala namang masyado. Excuse me. Next. Pagdating sa situation in love, anong meron? Situation in love. Situation in love pagdating sa inyong mga Cancerian. So again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's for you? Anong meron? Four of Wands inversed. Okay, may nangyaring separation. The Fool. So nandyan yung parang hindi ka sanay, bago to, or may takot dito na totally may mangyaring separation. The Four of Cups. Yeah, meron ditong parang natatakot na natapusin yung isang connection na hindi naman na totally stable. Okay, ayaw manghinayang or what? Ayaw tumingin sa iba, lagi lang nakafocus dyan. Anong meron? Anong kailangan malaman? The Three of Cups. Kailangan mo na talaga na maging open, no? Pagdating sa ibang mga energies. Kung ikaw itong parang nasa separation na, huwag kang matakot na lumabas sa iyong comfort zone. Okay? Some of you kasi is still holding on sa past connection na to or kung ano man, and ayaw kung totally mawala ito. Parang ganyan eh. You're still holding on. Parang ganyan. And maybe expecting from your person. Parang ganyan. About reconciliation. Ang daming nawawala. Ang daming nasasayang if ever. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Cups. Being the Nine of Cups, that's somebody who is like merong peace of mind, no? And this is the energy of healing. The Nine of Cups. So, whether nasa connection ka na hindi na okay and napoprolong na lang yung separation, sabihin nating isipin mo lang muna, no, yung sarili mo. Yung peace of mind mo over this. Pero, yeah, same din kung nasa separation ka na. If you're waiting for them, for that person, that specific person na mag-reach out or kung ano man and hindi naman nangyayari, just forget about it. Okay? Forget it. Surrender it and bigyan mo ng peace of mind yung sarili mo. Okay? The Seven of Pentacles is here. Invest on other energies. Invest on, sabihin natin, iba pa. No? Hindi lang dito. Huwag mong i-stuck yung sarili mo. Okay? So, what else? Ano pang situation ang meron sa mga Cancerian? Okay? Justice. Some of you, that's talking about marriage. Something legal. Five of Swords. Okay? So, meron ditong issue about legal. Okay? May legal issue. Ako nakikita dito. Giving you stress. Giving you something like mixed signal. Some of you, may chance na pwedeng may nangako ng kasal sa'yo, nangako ng magandahan, no? Pero parang hindi naman nangyayari. Parang ganon. Yeah, the Tower. Okay. Something is going down. Yeah. The Nine of Pentacles. Some of you, kung meron mga legal issue dito, may chance na mafi-fix. I mean, sabi nating mapaprocess ng tama. Mayroong ditong mabibigyan ng sabihin nating freedom. Oo, parang ganyan. Like, magiging single ka na muli. Like that. Okay? Yeah, and the Moon in reversed. So, some of you, this is like an advice na if ever na meron kang mga gustong parang gawin, okay, it's like sabihin natin parang wag kang gagawa ng decision out of your emotion, like okay, maghiwalay na tayo or whatsoever. Some of you, you're still married, ganyan, maghiwalay na tayo, mag-divorce tayo, mag-annul na tayo, parang mga ganyan, no? So for me, kapag nandun na yung energy na sabihin natin na nabigyan na ng magandang result, like nagkahiwalay kayo, and then suddenly the moon is here in reverse, it's like, tama kaya yung ginawa ko? Tama kaya to? So, kung may ganyan ka na pwedeng mangyari, okay, like sabihin natin mga tanong pa sa magiging resulta, meaning to say, parang hindi ka masyadong ganon, like ka-concrete yung plan mo. So, sabi ko nga, baka dala lang ng emosyon, baka dala lang ng ano man, galit, 'di ba? Mga ganyan, like kung meron kayong mga gustong i-fix, kung kayang i-fix muna. Oo, wag yung sasabihin na ay hiwalay or what. Okay, kasi parang there's no turning back here. There's no turning back. Some of you, you're the devil. Mas magiging masalimuot pa, I think, kung hindi pag-uusapan or what. Okay, nadala lang ng tawag dyan, ng galit, kung ano man. I'm seeing some of you, this is channeled, I'm seeing here marriage na parang biglaan lang, like kasi sabi ni ganto, sabi ng ganyan, sabi ng nanay ko, sabi ng tatay ko, dapat daw magpakasal tayo. Okay, may energy na ganon. And then, kapag nawala na, ay kasal na, doon papasok yung mga issue. Bakit ako nagpakasal? Or what? Some of you, you have to decide, no? Hindi, ikaw yung dapat magdesisyon. Parang ganyan. Kasi, pagdating sa sarili mo, kailangan natin ng opinion ng ibang tao, pero it's up to you pa rin, still. Di po ba? Lalo na kung nasa tama ka naman ng edad, mga ganyang bagay. Pwede ka namang humindi, siguro. Pwede ka namang dumisisyon ng iyo, siguro. Di po ba? So, sinasabi dito kasi, kung makakagawa ka ng decision, yun na yun. Okay? Yun na yun. I don't know why. So, tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind. The person on Cancerian's mind. So, who is this? The person on Cancerian's mind. The Two of Swords in reverse. Could be an air sign. Temperance. They're open-minded. Oo. Pasensyosa ng taong to. Okay. Days of Pentacles in reverse. Oh. Ito yung tao na parang willing kang hintayin. Some of you nagkaroon ng separation dito at parang nandyan yung salitang miss opportunity. A miss opportunity. Nag-invest siya. Pinipili mo tong taong to and parang pinipili ka rin niya. Parang ganon. Pero there's this like something na nangyari kaya nagkaroon ng miss opportunity. Ayaw mong mawala tong taong to. So let's see anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya, Cancer. Sa ngayon, kumusta siya? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Death. So there's, sabihin natin in general, may mga nangyayaring pagbabago. Okay? Endings, some of the energy, pwedeng endings or changes. Page of Wands, this is changes. Some of them, sabihin natin may mga bagong direction ng pinatutunguhan nitong taong to. Ayaw nila na ma-stuck, ayaw nila na parang feeling nila is wala nang mangyayari sa buhay nila. Okay? Yeah, the Five of Pentacles. They still need you. Yeah, they still like feeling the coldness of the separation. Pero kailangan nilang mag-move forward, magkaroon ng new ideas, magkaroon ng bago in general, no? Pagdating sa buhay. Yeah. Let's see what is their emotions for you, Cancer. Ten of Wands. Yeah, burden. Mabigat. The Six of Cups. They miss you. They're bitter. Some of them, they're sad. They're sad. Yeah, the World, Universe, they're still unfinished business. Feeling the unfinished business. So, may chance na pwedeng kung ano man ang mga nararamdaman nitong taong to. Ngayon, sabihin natin, there's no way na para ipahayag, i-express kung ano man. So, parang nagbi-build up na yung mga emosyon nitong taong to para sa'yo. Bumibigat ng bumibigat. Wala siyang mapagsabihan, wala siyang mapagkwentuhan, something like that. Okay? Some of them, pwedeng dinadivert na lang nila yung emosyon nila sa ibang bagay. Pwedeng sa work, parang ganyan. Para maibsan or malesen. Okay? So, let's see what is their next action towards you. The Knight of Cups in reversed. The Seven of Swords in reversed. Being silent, saying no sa connection na to. Okay? Alam niya na gusto ka pa rin niya. Pero, the Seven of Swords is here. Alam niya kung bakit hindi pwedeng kumonek. Alam niya kung anong meron. What's with the Seven of Swords in reverse? Marami siyang tinuturo sa sarili, I think. And ganoon rin siya pagdating sa'yo. Marami din siyang gustong ituro sa'yo. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Nine of Wands. So, hindi ito magpaparamdam sa'yo. They're guarded. Yeah, the Page of Swords. I think some of them, they're watching you or maybe you're watching them. Okay, the King of Wands. May blockage dito, mga Cancerian. So, it's like, yeah, parang iba't iba. Iba't iba kayo, syempre. Okay? Mayroon ditong hadlang sa kung anumang connection meron kayo. Okay? So, yun ang parang itinatatak niya sa utak niya. Parang ganun. Para hindi ko nagawa ng paraan to or what. This is like surrendering. Yeah, this is a missed opportunity. Ay. So, kanya-kanyang dahilan kung bakit hindi kaya masasabi nating missed opportunity to. Kanya-kanyang dahilan kayo. Kanya-kanyang issue. Okay? So, let's see what's the potential outcome ngayong bago mag-end ang April. The Nine of Swords in reverse. So, nandyan yung parang hindi na masyadong i-stressin to. Okay? Hindi na masyadong iisipin. King of Wands. Okay. So, still, sabihin natin nandun pa rin. Pero, yeah, the Queen of Swords. Kung some of you may mali dito may hindi tama. Okay? So, the King of Wands, this is managing their emotion, managing kung ano man, like being being logical, I think. Okay? Having new passion in life, parang ganyan. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. The Knight of Swords, yeah. So, parang tumatalikod to. Pagtalikod sa sitwasyon, maybe both of you, pagtalikod sa connection na to kasi kailangan. At yun yung dapat. Parang ganun, no? So, parang some of you, pagmamatigas to pagdating sa mga kagustuhan. Pag matigas na parang kahit gusto ko to, kung ito yung nararapat, ito yung gagawin ko. Parang ganyan. This is like sacrifice. Yeah. A big missed opportunity. Yes. Anyway, so there. Medyo malungkot, no? Medyo malungkot. Hindi pala medyo, it's malungkot talaga. Yeah, the Chariot, the Hanged One. So this is your energy. Some of you are still like expecting or waiting for this. You're still in their head, or pwedeng vice versa. Okay? Still holding on. Hindi pa rin nakakalis totally yung connection, or sabihin nating attachment, nandyan pa rin. Let's see. Ano bang meron pagdating sa all signs? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, Aries through Pisces. What's for you? Aries can't step up. Taurus, hindi nila kayang mag-offer ng cup of love. Gemini, this is selfishness. Cancer, they're still waiting for you. Leo, they're afraid to be judged. Virgo, they're sad. They want to see you. Libra, they miss you. Scorpio, they have insecurities. Some of them, hindi sila like ready, okay, in general, pagdating sa'yo, na-intimidate sila. So, Sagittarius, they want your attention. Some of them, they're just watching you. Capricorn, forgetting you. Aquarius, expectations. Some of them, they're still waiting for you. Pisces, okay, they're focusing on their career, on their job, work, studies, if ever. Okay, merong gustong parang ipaalam, no, si Pisces sa'yo, like, I think this is part of their revenge. Yeah, the King of Swords. I think this is like a plan, the Eight of Cups, yeah. Si Pisces, gusto niya na makita mo kung ano bang meron na sa kanya. Meron siyang ginagawa, action, pagdating sa sarili. Okay? And gusto niya makita mo yon para may ganyan. Anyway, so there, yun ang aking reading for you. Cancer placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yung isa po nating dalawa pala na FB, a YouTube channel, nasa description box below. Thank you. Bye.